Hi, welcome to Hillsford in Kidderminster. So if you are looking to check in your service booking, we have a new facility that you can use. Very convenient, very good if you're in a hurry for work or need a quick drop off for a minor service. So the machine is just through here on the service entrance, and then it's on the right hand side. To check in using our secure locker, simply tap check in on the screen and enter the registration and follow the instructions. Now you have the option to add any additional requests or information you want us to know. Once you've done this, you can point out on the map where your car is located in the car park, and then finally sign in to say that you've checked in and confirmed. Then place your keys in the locker and you can be on your way. A service advisor will give you a call to let you know if there's any additional work or once your vehicle is complete and ready for collection. If you're in a hurry on pickup, you can also use our locker to collect your keys. A service advisor will have been in touch and gone through all the information and get any payments sorted. You'll have received a text confirming your vehicle is ready for collection and containing a 4-digit code. When you arrive to pick up your vehicle, head to the check-in machine and tap the check out button. Confirm your reg and then enter your 4-digit code you received in the text message. Now we'll let you know on the map where we've parked your vehicle. Sign to confirm you're picking up your vehicle, and then you can grab your keys and you can be on your way. If you are dropping off an unscheduled appointment, you can also use our check-in machine. Just click the unscheduled appointment and follow the instructions. There are a few more steps to this, as we'll need to confirm phone numbers, email addresses and the vehicle details, but you'll still be able to check in and drop your keys off nice and quickly if you're in a hurry.